Hi everyone, welcome to Gluten-Free Cooking with Dad. Tonight is fireworks night and I'm making chocolate fondants. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first question for you is, what do you think these are? Because I had no idea when I looked up the recipe. They are called ramekins. So the first thing to do for these chocolate fondants is to grease these ramekins with a little bit of butter, which I've done already. In a saucepan, you want to add 150 grams of butter. To add 200 grams of dark chocolate. In a separate bowl, you want to add 150 grams of sugar. And you want to crack 3 eggs. There's 1, 2, and 3. And you want to whisk together until light and fluffy. Next step is to add the dark melted chocolate into the egg mixture. Very gently fold in the mixture. Next, you want to add 50 grams of gluten-free plain flour. And then again, we're going to be folding this into the mixture. Nice and gently. There we go. So next what we want to do is half fill each of these little ramekins halfway. So the next thing you want to do is add a few dark chocolate buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what you want to do is cover them up again and fill them about 3/4 full, so not right to the top. Put your oven on at about 200 degrees and we're putting these in the oven 13 minutes. Oh, oven's finished and it's beeping. Should we take a look at these chocolate fondants?
Yeah.
Oh. Look at that, we've got a wobble.
Wow.
Ooh, right, taste test time. Do you want to give these a try?
Yeah.
You've got 4 of them, so there's quite a lot to get through. Bearing in mind they're going to be very hot.
I think this is better than the shop bought one.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I love it.
Is it good, is it?
Yes, but very hot.
Yeah, it's going to be hot. Fantastic. I can't wait to try a bit myself.